Hey guys, it's 9 in the morning and today I will be starting my trip to Morroco with this motorcycle. It slowly starts to rain a little bit, but see you guys on the road. So guys, we just left Celle behind us. We're now on our way to the Deister mountain next to Hanover, and I hope that we have good luck on this trip to Morocco. I'll be going through France and Spain. We will see lots of nice things on the way, lots of nature, nice roads. Currently I'm still going through the Great Flats of Lower Saxony basically. I hope that the motorcycle will keep up quite well, because on my test ride to get going, the bike broke down because of a broken alternator. I now got the alternator fixed and I hope that everything is now good to go. But you have to remember, this is a 500 euro bike, so I hope that everything will go well. So guys, it's really windy today. The weather has cleared up. It's not raining anymore, which is really nice. I'm currently really close to the Deister now. The first few curves are coming up, which is nice. This is the Weserbergland. It's called where I'm at the moment. And there's one road on the Deister that's really well known for motorcyclists in northern Germany. I don't trust the motorcycle that well with all the package. So we now roughly drove 80 kilometers to the Deister mountain. I later plan to continue my path more into the direction of the Vulcan Eiffel. Oh, hello guys. Our next stop will probably be the Porta Westfalica. Ooh, this forest just looks magnificent. This is beautiful. Ooh, the road is not the best right here, but it's alright. Yeah, Straßenschäden, that's what it says. Damage to the road was the sign, and earlier in that curve that couldn't have been more true. Oh, with those trees, and oh, a butterfly just flew past me. So we're now pretty close to arriving to the Kaiser Wilhelm Denkmal at Porta Westfalica. Park my bike over here in the shadow. I now arrived at the top of the Kaiser Wilhelm Denkmal at Porta Westfalica. Over there you can see the river Weser, and this is the landscape. And this is the incredible memorial. Quite a sight to behold. Now it's time for some food. Guten Appetit. I've just gotten quite a fright because one of my water bottles burst, how you can see here. First I thought that was from the motorcycle, but luckily it's only this thing. So everything is alright now, and I'll be going to Wuppertall to get a hotel for the night. That will be 130 kilometers on the infamous Autobahn. So that was quite a long day on the road, to be honest. I expected to be a bit farther than this, like a bit closer to the Eiffel, but I think we did quite well. I'll now, while in the hotel, try to edit my video. Hopefully that works fine too, because I don't have that much experience editing yet, and also editing on the go is, I think, a bit harder, especially after all the stuff I've done today. Oh, look at this different kind of railway. This looks interesting. Looks like it hooks the train from the top. So, Hotel Imperia should be here. So, apparently that's it with motorcycle riding for the day. Makes a quite solid appearance. Well, a bit dodgy, but yeah. I am now in my hotel room. The hotel seemed really dodgy at first. The guy at the reception didn't speak German or English, but I managed to get through, and now we just need to see if the Wi-Fi is good, but the rest of the room looks kind of decent. Like, this is where all my stuff is. I carried it upstairs. I have a little TV and actually a really nice bathroom, all for 40 bucks. And maybe I will have a bath, because if I have the opportunity to have a bath for $40 euros, then I definitely do that.